Hey guys, it's Stephanie from To Be Toys. We have an awesome video to show you today. I'm going to show you the new Deluxe Pixel Art Kit by Pix Perfect. And I'm so excited to do this because it's such a beautiful set. So let's get this unboxed. So we have the starter deluxe add-on pack with 5 colors. There's 400 discs of each color. So we have Fuchsia Fusion, Warp Zone, Compact Disc, Steel Gray, and Arcade Blue. There's over 2,000 pieces inside. And we have the actual art kit. So there's 7,200 pieces in the box, and there's 50 plus design ideas inside as well. You can create your own also. You don't have to just do what it says in the box. It's changeable DIY 3D sequin art. It's just like so many cool elements of it. And it's a STEM authenticated toy. So STEM is so important. I would say this is more STEAM because there's art involved, and plus I just love the fact that it's open-ended, so you can keep creating once you create one. Let's get it out of the box, and I'm going to show you what is inside. Also, when you're done creating, you could share with Pix Perfect by tagging them at mypixperfect and using the hashtag mypixperfect. You can follow all of their designs and get some inspiration by following them on Facebook, Instagram, and even Pinterest. Here's the idea booklet, all of your sequin pixels. And so when the light hits it, it's gonna look really awesome. Here is the pixel board. Now, the pixel board is actually numbered and lettered, so it's easy for you to place your sequins down. So you're not just like randomly dropping them down. This is the idea booklet, so you just get an idea of what you can create. There's so many cool designs, and it's great. So like if you have like a basement with just like a theme, or maybe even like for your living room and you want some really cool art, create your own like pop art. Like I would totally replicate like Andy Warhol's like pop art, like even just creating like a really awesome like Marilyn Monroe. How cool. This reminds me of like the Super Mario like star. So you choose your design, prepare pixel board to follow design, proudly display and share your masterpiece. So let's create something that I think you guys will enjoy. I'm gonna create something that I know my kids are gonna enjoy and they're gonna enjoy looking at for like the time being, and then I'm gonna switch it out and keep creating. Although I think I'm gonna get some more boards because I like these so much. And who doesn't love a little sparkle like in their lives? Come on. Okay, so let's get started, and I'm gonna create one for you, and I'm gonna speed it up, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to display it, and then stay tuned for future videos with more pixel art kit creations. And we have the actual art kit. So there's 7,200 pieces in the box, and there's 50 plus design ideas inside as well. You can create your own also. You don't have to just do what it says in the box. Now that my pixel art is complete, now I can display it proudly on my wall. So cool. Now the only problem is with my Pixel Perfect is the fact that it only comes with one board. I want more boards, so I'm gonna order some more. I wanna make more pixel art. Look how cool this looks.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.